Hello, Minnie Bob. Minnie Bob. Good morning. Not morning, it's afternoon, Farmer. Yeah. Alrighty. I dug the poop pile down quite a bit. Not lots. Now the animals are stretched up a little bit more. Drinking, the chickens. Lots of happy chickens. All having some drinks before the evening comes out. We got a little clan of girls munching out. And I'll show you the poop pile I hauled out. Fair load, not light. There it is there. Lots more to come out, but I have never ever had to pull this out before. I always was able to wait till spring.